Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to unroll the upper bar with the options just by tapping on this arrow, and as you can see here we've got the timer, so let's tap. In this device we've got 4 different options to choose from, so the off option, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on this option, and as you can see the timer will be applied, the icon changed slightly. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button. And from now on your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, you can always turn the timer off just by tapping on this icon again and choose this crossed out icon. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.